I'm Gloria Santos. The first time I came here last January 31, I felt half of my body got numb. So I was here just to really try how it feels, feels good again. If barley would be good. Then I told her, I want to try your product. Tapos, ayun, by taking one sachet alone, in less than 5 minutes, half of the numbness gone. So, na-amaze ako. And then, sabi ko, is there a business side to this? How come there's so many people in the office? Sabi, yes ma'am, meron. Ganyan, explain siya. Tapos, in-interrupt ko na naman siya. Sabi ko, I don't feel well. There's still discomfort. Can you give me one more sachet? Tapos, alam mo, after the second sachet, as in, totally gone.
Wow.
Yung numbness, totally gone. So, in-explain niya yung packages. Tapos, sabi niya, this is how good Jade is. Tapos, yun, from a copper na nasa mind ko, nakita ko yung goodness of the package. Ayun, I was able to get Jade. So, awa ng Diyos. Nakaano pa lang naman ako, 700K pa lang.
Wow, 700. Not bad. From January lang, ha?
Yeah, and I thank
Lapit
God.
na mag-million na.
I pray na more, di ba? Kasi, ang motivation ko, ma'am, kasi, my mom died last August. And I come to know about barley last January 31 lang. So, nung nalaman nga ng dad ko na how good barley is, kasi pagdating ko ng house, sabi niya, ba't ang bilis mo na maglakad? Samantalang previous to that, hirap ako umakyat. As in, inaalalayan ako ng sons ko. Tapos sabi niya, ba't ang bilis mo na? Sabi ko, nakatake lang akong 2 barley. And I can move my feet, fast as if wala. Tapos sabi niya, tapos yun yung motivation ko na parang, I don't want anyone to feel how we felt. Kasi sabi ng dad ko, if only naabutan to ng mom mo, buhay pa sana siya ngayon. So that feeling, I don't want anyone else to feel that way. So pag merong kaibigan na kapamilya na merong pinagdadaanan, sinasabi ko agad, barley, help me. So baka matulungan ka din. So ganun lang yan. God is so good.